All right, we got Good Good Father, Chris Tomlin, key of G. So electric guitar lead, you would be you're out for the first verse. You come in on the chorus. So the chorus in the key of G, you're starting on the E string on the 5th fret. Your ring finger is going to be on the 7th, up on the G. Sorry, your middle finger. And then your ring is going to be on the 8th on the B string. So I'll play through the chorus full speed, and then I'll slow it down. So that's the chorus, and you just, obviously, if you do it more than once, you just repeat the same thing again. So 5th fret on the E string, middle finger's up on the 7th, on the G, and your ring is on the 8th. So you're going down strum on the G and the B, come up on the E, and down on the B. So with the pick, you're going down, down, up, down. That's kind of your picking pattern for the chorus. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So down. So G string, B string, E string, B string. Do it a second time. So then right here, you're gonna hit your G string on this note here. You're gonna hit it and slide. You want that kind of sound. Up to the 9th. You're gonna drop your pinky 1 fret down. And then your ring's going down here on the 10th fret on the... That's one time through, so sorry. And then from there, you're going here. Use your pinky to hit that 10 on the E. And then you're going back to your original position. Now, the easiest way I found to do this, to reset, to start over the chorus again, is instead of getting this finger in position first and then here, it just takes too long. So when I'm here, I just start with this finger because I can't switch all my fingers in position and then start playing quick enough. So from here, I just start with this one and kind of put them down as I go. Okay, so let's try that again. So hit and do that slide. And then you just repeat. There's your chorus. So then you come in on the second verse. You'll come in, and you're starting on the 10th fret. On this is only on the E string. So you're starting on the 10th. 8, 7, 10, 8, 7. That's the verse. When you get to the last line of the verse. So let's see. Searching for answers far and wide, but I know we're all searching for answers. You provide me. When you get to the last line of the verse, then you're going to drop down to the 3rd. up to the 5th, back to 3, and then hit that last. Good, good. And you're already set. That's the beginning note for your, you stay right there, not the beginning note, but your pointer's going to stay right there for your chorus, and you're just bringing your middle and your ring up, and then that's your chorus. And you do your chorus again. So that's the verses. Bridge, you're just staying on 10, the whole thing. That's all you're doing. Just stay on 10 for the whole entire bridge. After that bridge, it kind of breaks down for that third verse. Love so undeniable, I can hardly speak. And you don't do anything until you get to that. As you call me deeper still, as you call me deeper still. So this is the same thing as the last line of the verses. So you're down here on 3. As you call deeper still. 3 times into love. So you do a total of 4 times back and forth. Same thing as the last line of the verses, and then you're back at your chorus.